Well, welcome back, everybody. The market is still open here on Friday afternoon for just a little bit longer here, but I want to go ahead and give you an update right now before we go off into a great weekend. By the way, speaking of weekend, just as a quick note there, sorry for any misunderstanding, but I think a lot of people were expecting that I do another ITP Saturday event here because we haven't done an event in over 6+ months there for the ITP, and we did the big event on Wednesday. I spent the last couple days helping so many of our new student family members get acclimated and get situated and everything else. So we're not going to go ahead and do another one this weekend. However, at the end of the video, I'll have something hopefully even better and more exciting for you, if you can believe that. So first of all, though, let's go ahead and take a look at where we're at with this market. So my focus today, just like it was earlier in the week when I was sharing with you, what kind of trades I was taking, was long side. There's a lot of reason for it. While the market was making a lower low over here, we were having positive divergence in underlying indicators such as stochastics and triggers and things of that nature. So with that being said, we were kind of looking for that rebound. Plus, you remember what I said, going into last Friday night, it was absolute doom and gloom. And we talked a lot about that on Wednesday at that special event that I did for you. It was absolute doom and gloom. And, sure enough, look what even happened since that time where I was talking about that with you that morning. We went ahead and really shot up very nicely for the next 2.5 days afterwards as well. So really great stuff. But where does that put us now? Well, so now we're into this really massive resistance support type band. Okay, this band right here, very, very important. As you can see, it's the long-term neckline. It's the whole area that I was warning you about back at the Wealth 365 Summit when we went in and we kicked that off, and I was sharing with you the neckline. Well, we got right up to that neckline there that week, stalled out, and then died. Well, so now here we are coming back up to that area where we spent a lot of time. As you can see, look at all the time we've spent there, over the last several months. A very, very important area. So what we're going to be looking for is, do we stall out here and roll back down, or can we actually build a base off of this area, which could lead to some more great short covering here? Because like I said, with the absolute bearishness and pessimism there, I'd love to see more short covering. Look at the aggressive nature of the long side, over here, and just these big gap ups, and all in the face the market loves to climb a wall of worry. Well, we've got plenty of worry out there in the world, don't we? So with that being said, here we are now back to a major, major key test area, and I want to make sure everybody sees this because I want to see if we can build a base here and then start to take back off, or are we going to hit this and just like right over here, roll back over. So in the meantime, the focus today, was really from more of a long side trading. Early on, I was more cautious, rightfully so, because we were doing our first test of that resistance area that I just shared with you there a few minutes ago. So then the market pulled back from it, but as we went into the afternoon, it just continued to rally off and fire off some wonderful continuation reentries. And you see the hourly chart, the 5-minute chart, the 1-minute chart. Everything here was just, buy, buy, buy. And so once we passed those initial hurdles that I was looking at earlier in the day that I was cautioning on, that allowed for me to go ahead and be looking for continuation long. So that's what I focused on here into the afternoon. But I am now done. We're going into the last hour of trade as I'm shooting this video for you. And so I wanted to go ahead and kind of share with you that's how we closed out the week. Really great to end the week with the same way I started the week, and then as I was teaching you these strategies on Wednesday. Really, really great stuff. Now, regardless of if you missed the Wednesday or you went ahead and were able to be there Wednesday, we're going to be doing something completely different. People have been asking about this for over 4+ years, and Hubert and I have never done anything like this before together. And for 4 years, people have been asking me to go ahead and do exactly what we're going to go ahead and do. So basically since back in right before COVID hit. So that's how long it's been. So we're excited to go ahead and do something super special for you. So if you go to becomeabettertrader.com/go, becomeabettertrader.com/go. You can join Hubert and me for a really special, webinar event. We've never done anything like this together before, and it's been widely requested, and so I couldn't be more excited. You had to, if you whether you saw Wednesday or you missed Wednesday, this is your opportunity to see something completely to build upon all of that. So I'm really, really excited, to say the least. You could probably tell, and it just builds upon this incredible year that I've gone ahead and had with 2023 being my best year in modern memory, and that's after 2022 being my best year in modern memory. This is a great time for you to get an update on what's hot, what's not, what we're looking at. Be a part of what we're doing here with this very special program and coming together. You won't be disappointed, especially if you're one of those many people that's been asking us over the last several years to come together and do something like this. So go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. Get signed up. It's next Wednesday morning at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time, 9 Central, 7 a.m. Pacific. You don't want to go ahead and miss that. So I'll look forward to seeing you there. Let's celebrate the successes from the week, because we got right back up there to those key resistance areas, and the process of doing so led to all these wonderful continuation trades, the same kind that I kicked off earlier in the week that I was showing you that I was doing. Well, got to close out the week here doing the exact same thing, going long, and I'm officially done now. It's 3:03 Eastern Time, so we've got a little bit 57 minutes on the clock still, but I'm done. Another successful week, and looking forward to going into the weekend now. So you guys have a great weekend here. Make sure you come see Hubert and I for this very special event at becomeabettertrader.com/go, and let's close out 2023 strong together and then launch into 2024 together. Can't wait. Have a great night, gang. We'll see you at this upcoming event. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.